Alright guys, let's just wait for the outcome of this before I explain this strategy to you. It's Matthew again. As you can see, we've won that trade. So quickly before we proceed, is our third strategy for today. This is a touch no touch again on the WebTrader platform as webtrader.binary.com. You can see we are using the WebTrader today all through. For those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, this is the boat again. Let's visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. These are some of the results of the boat. You can see right here. These are some of the results. Everything is green right here. These are the results again on Deriv. The boat is automated. It works on Deriv and binary.com. And the version 4.1 is out and it's still very effective. So just visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. There's a link again, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies, and here's a link to subscribe. For those who don't have a trading account, just click on this link, check the video description on YouTube. You will see all these infos in the video description on YouTube. Just click on this link to sign up for a free trading account to test all the strategies on demo. And here again is the link to subscribe to our channel. This is the first channel and this is the second channel. Just subscribe to both channels. And here is a link to read written tutorial on our forum website. So let's get back to the trading. Here, as stated earlier, we'll be trading the touch no touch volatility 25 minutes. So once you log into the webtrader.binary.com, just click on the trade type here. Click on here, you go to volatility 25 index. This one will open right here. So then here you click on touch no touch. Once you click on that, you set the tick to 6 ticks. The barrier offset is plus 0.431 plus 0.431. So here I'm going to open the chart too for the same volatility 25 index. You go to static index, then you click on volatility 25 index. This chart will open. So we're going to be using the preset candle chart. Then what you need to do is to change this to 1 minute. Instead of tick, you click on 1 minute. You have to drag this very close. So at the extreme edge here, once you see red, you can see that's red there and it's under. You click on purchase right there. So let's view the outcome. You can see it's already counting. So as you can see, we've won that trade. The 6 count has lapsed. So I have to wait again. Let's place another trade. I have to see the red. This red must be here, and this line must be under it. The red line must be under, and there must be gap. You can see it's dropping again. We click on purchase right there. You can see the red and the line was under it. There must be much gap between it. The gap must be as deep as this. You can see the gap here. You can see the gap right here. I mean these two reds, you can see the gap. Then this line must be under it. You can see we want that trade again. So you can go on and on. We are using this strategy.